Have you guys heard of the CyberCab? Have you guys heard that there are cars coming out that will be driving themselves without you even paying attention? Let's jump into this, man.
I'm so lost in a world of black seas now. Lost.
Okay. Tesla, the world's EV, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification. Help me help you. Look, imagine hopping into a car with no driver, no steering wheel, just you and AI taking you anywhere. That's Tesla CyberCab, fellas. It's supposed to be dropping in June, and it's closer than we all think. In this video, we're going to dive into what makes this Robotaxi so wild. How could it kill off Uber, Lyft? Whether it's actually safe. Let's stick around because I'll tell you what. This is the future, fellas. This is the future. Now, some of you guys are, what's the CyberCab? What's the Robotaxi? I never heard of that. Look, Tesla unveiled the CyberCab in 2024, and it's fully autonomous, okay? I'm not trying to be rude, but those of you that don't know what fully autonomous is, that's just fully self-drives, okay? Robotaxi, no steering wheel, no pedals, just a lounge on wheels, all right? Tesla's next-gen platform, which means it's super cheap. Well, it's going to be super cheap, bro. Less than most cars. It's going to be under $30,000, bro. It charges wirelessly and uses Tesla's full self-driving tech to navigate cities. Now, look, picture this, all right? You order it, right? Just like a Uber, right? You order it, and next thing you know, a car with no steering wheel, no pedals, and no person pulls up to your door. Huh. Now, look, why is that a game changer, bro? Look, here's why. Like the CyberCab, I mean, it could be huge first, right? It's cheaper than human driving, ride sharing. Elon Musk says it could cost less per mile than a bus. Second, it's green electric, zero emissions, perfect
for fighting climate change.
For those of you, climate change. Third, it could reshape cities, bro. Less parking, less traffic, more space at parks, more space at parking lots in parks. Tesla's already testing these things at Giga Texas. For those of you that don't know, Giga Texas is Tesla's main hub, their biggest factory, which is in Texas. All right. They're aiming for full self-driverless rides by the end of 2025, but not everyone sold. Some say it killed jobs for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. I don't know. I mean, it could. What do you guys think? You guys let me know. All right. So, I mean, is full self-drive ready? Guys, can you get in a car with nobody, nothing, no interventions, right? Well, personally, I can tell you that for a month, I have not intervened one time on version 13. I can't say that about 12 previously. You asked me this question 4 or 5 months ago. I'm going to tell you straight up to your face. It was trash. I was like, oh. Honestly, maybe not that much. That's a little over exaggeration because it was still pretty good. It was still doable, but there was no way I trusted it and I could sit back. Now, version 13, I'm just sitting back with my feet kicked up. And that's version 13. So imagine when they actually drop the Robotaxi, which is probably going to be 14. So the CyberCab, I mean, it runs on Tesla's FSD version 13, which is getting crazy good. Like I just told you, people on X are raving about how it handles tricky cities, tricky parking lots. It's smoother than it was last year, pretty much. But there is a catch. FSD isn't perfect, right, guys? Remember, I mean, there have been incidents and some folks worry about the safety. Tesla says unsupervised driving is coming this year, but regulations and skeptics aren't so sure about that. I'm torn. I mean, I'd love to chill. I hope it comes out when it's supposed to. I would love to chill, feet kicked up in a CyberCab, guys. Just picture it. But I want to know 100%, is it safe? What do you guys think? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Are you guys like,
No, I don't trust a machine driving me. This is iRobot. Oh my gosh.
yeah. So, anyways, Tesla does got some hurdles, man. Some people are boycotting the brand. Some people are Elon's, because of Elon's political moves, there have been protests. Regulations might slow down because FSD approval. Tesla's pushing hard to make this CyberCab a reality, guys. Will it overcome the drama, though? With all these, no more Tesla, no more Elon, no more Doge, stop helping us out. I don't know. Anyways, so the Tesla CyberCab could be the future of travel, guys. Is it a risky bet? Would you ride in one? I mean, would you? Y'all drop y'all thoughts down in the comments, man. Let's get this debate going, okay? Because I'm truly interested. Because I'm going to tell you straight up, Tesla is the future, period. No, they innovated it, and they are running it. They were the first ones to do this, and they are running this. They are so many steps ahead, guys. You guys will see. But once again, I guess we'll have to see. Did I just? Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like what you hear and if you want to hear about more tech videos, about more Tesla stuff, hit that subscribe button. Drop that like. Help me help you. Tesla, the world's EV, guys. I'm outro.